another episode of Cooking with Chef Kiernan. So today we are going to do a dish that is loved by so many kids. Pinoy style sweet spaghetti. Spaghetti is a long, thin, solid, cylindrical pasta. It is a staple of food of traditional Italian cuisine. Here are the ingredients. Minced garlic. Mince means to cut up or ground into small pieces. Onion, cooking oil, hot dog, liver spread, tomato sauce. It has to be plain, not a flavored tomato sauce. Flavored means flavoring has been added for a particular taste, so we're not using that. We need the plain one. Milk, salt, pepper, shredded cheese. Shred means to scrape from something larger. And of course, our pasta, which we already cooked earlier to save time. In a pan, saute the garlic and onion until softened. To fry quickly until softened. To saute means to fry quickly in a little hot fat. Add in the ground pork. Add in the hot dog. Add the liver spread. It's like a meatloaf but much more yummy. Stir until they are well distributed. Add in tomato sauce. And pour in the milk. This already looks yummy. Mix well and simmer again. Now we can mix our cooked pasta. To serve, top with the shredded cheese. Al dente. Buon appetito! What is this? It's well. Yan.